Welcome back to the Way of the Jump Rope with me, Andrew, on this beautiful sunny day. And in today's video, we got a cool jump rope combination involving a front heel tap and cross legs. So I'll show you what this cool jump rope combination looks like. First, without a rope, from a front view, a side view, and then I will incorporate a rope and show you what it looks like when you perform the move in the same location, and then I will demonstrate a more advanced variation where you perform this combination while moving backwards. But before we get to that, I want to give a shout out and a message of congratulations to a fellow jump roper and YouTuber, KHK360, whose jump rope YouTube channel just reached over 1,000 subscribers. So well done to you, sir. Now here is the move in slow motion. First, I'm beginning by loosening up my feet by performing some boxer skips. And then I will go into some front heel taps. I will do 6 front heel taps. And there's the first one with the right foot. And I do these in an alternate fashion. So the second heel tap is performed with the left foot. And you can perform as many of these front heel taps as you want until you get comfortable at doing them. That's the fourth one. Here's the 5th front heel tap with the right foot. And notice here, when I'm tapping the ground with the heels, I'm only gently tapping the ground, only the heels making contact. And here after the 7th heel tap, watch what I do. I go from a heel tap into cross legs. The front heel tap foot goes across the opposite foot. And then I uncross the legs. Now, the left foot crosses in front of the right, uncross. Right crosses in front of the left. Now the foot that's in the rear, look what happens now. It goes from the rear into a front heel tap. And then a heel tap with the opposite foot. Heel tap with the left foot. And now again, that foot is going to cross in front of the right foot. Legs are crossed again. Uncross the legs. Cross the legs, uncross the legs, cross the legs again. Now watch what happens with the foot in the rear, the right foot. Goes from the rear into a front heel tap. And that is the sequence. So now here is the move from a side view. Similarly, I'm beginning with a few boxer skips just to loosen up before doing some front heel taps in an alternate fashion. So here's the first heel tap with the right foot. Notice just the heel portion of the sole is gently touching the ground. These are the barefoot minimalist shoes called Paluva. I'm absolutely loving them so far. I've been wearing them for approximately 1 month. So I'm performing a few front heel taps just to loosen up. And now here, look what happens after I perform this front heel tap with the right foot. Then I cross my legs. Uncross my legs. Cross my legs again. The left foot going forward. Uncross my legs. Perform another cross. So the left foot is in the rear. And now watch what happens. The rear foot goes to the front into a heel tap. Then a heel tap with the opposite foot. Another heel tap with the left foot, and now watch what happens. From a heel tap into cross legs. Uncross the legs. Cross the legs again. Uncross the legs. Cross the legs again. Now the right foot is in the rear, and then watch what happens after that. Goes from the rear into a front heel tap, and that is the sequence. And now here is the move from a front view performed at regular speed using a rope. Next, you'll see this from a side view, and then I will perform it moving backwards, which is a more advanced variation. And then after that, I will show the front view again in slower motion. So there's quite a lot of coordination involved in this particular jump rope combination. Here's the move being performed while moving backwards. And just after this, I will slow down the front view again. Okay, so here is the move being performed from a front view using a rope in slow motion. So you can study the move here again. So there's quite a lot of coordination involved in this particular jump rope combination. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope to see you again in the next one.